Hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm B and this is my lovely channel. Hey, welcome back to my B Babe fam. But about me today, it's about this lovely hair. This is the long U hair. Believe it or not, girlies, look how good this looks. Like how it looks, it's just so bomb. Like this gives me very much fall vibes, and I'm here to just give you a 2-month update on this hair. Disclaimer, all of these things are my personal opinion. You may experience the hair and it might be way different for you versus me. Companies change, hair vendors change all the time. So I'm just giving it to you from when I ordered this hair, that like batch or whatever. So first things first, what were the original lengths of this hair? Because obviously it did not come this color, it did not come this cut. So the original lengths were 22, 24, and 26 inch bundles with a 20 inch frontal. Now, let's talk about the frontal in particular for this update. When I first came to you, I think I was telling you like the frontal was okay, and it kind of gave me the vibe that the hair can be bleached, which it does. It bleached very beautifully. I use 40 volume developer and just regular bleach, and it gave me this color. I left it on there for like 40 minutes. You really can't see the color on this side because since I cut it, I had long hair, so most of the brown was like down here. So you can see more of the brown color over here. It's more like a little honey brown. It's like a really cute color. But like I said, I cut this hair. It looks beautiful. The frontal still looks like how it did in the original video. I'll tell you why. Now, this whole hairline is an illusion. An illusion, and I'm saying that because the frontal does actually shed. It sheds quite a lot, honestly. It's a little bit of how you treat the hair and over plucking. So when I first got the frontal, I told you guys that I really over plucked it because I did not know the hair was going to shed like that, or I would have plucked it and left a little more density in the frontal. You know what I mean? So it could still be like not bald as fuck. You get me. You get what I'm saying. You see what I mean? So I would have left a little more density in the frontal, and then like naturally, like over time, it would have just shed, and then you know it'll just got like this eventually. But this is not how the hair actually looks. So majority of this is actually blank space, like canvas, because a lot of the hair shed out. So a trick that I do is I just take a black eyeshadow or brown eyeshadow, and I take it and go along the roots. So I'll put like a comb in my part, wherever my part is. Can't find it on camera. So I put it in my part, and then I just go around and basically Beijing for my wig. Like, you see what I'm saying? Like, that's essentially what I'm doing, is just putting black where it needs to be, look like there's more hair. You see what I'm saying? So for me, that was a little bit of a con, but it's not really a con because like me, I probably will be ordering from this company again just because I like the hair and it's pretty decent hair. I know in my last video I was all crazy. I was like, girl, this shit broke my neck out. I think it was because, but I can't even say that because I just washed and all that stuff. So I really don't know. It bleaches. So that gives me the human hair thumbs up. The lace, since I'm still talking about the frontal, the lace on the frontal, along with the shedding, it was a little thick, and it was on the grayer tone. Not grayer, but like it was hard. It's hard to match. I know I'm sitting here like it's hard to match, and this shit looks like it's low-key growing on my scalp, but that's due to me putting powder on it and basically doing a lot of things to make it look like natural hair. So we started with the frontal shedding. Girl, it's gonna shed, so when you get this frontal, please do not pluck it like crazy and have it look super natural, because once it starts to shed, then you're gonna be kind of in a pickle because now your hair is shedding to the point where you gotta like make up for some of that hair you plucked out originally. So that's one of the things I would like be aware of. This frontal shed, so don't pluck her like a regular frontal that's gonna hold on. And plus, you bleach the knots, it makes the knots weaker, so it's easier, it's more likely to fall out. Actually, since I cut the hair, it like slowed down on shedding. Like, I know that's weird because when I did the initial review, I'm like, this shit shed, it shed. I think personally that was something I just never dealt with hair. It just was shedding too much, and it was long hair, so it wasn't like I couldn't see those little short pieces of hair. It's like a long strand of hair, so you know it's from my wig, you know what I mean? So I think it's because the hair, I don't know, I don't think I cut any of the hair, like the wefts, until the very end, so that could have been a part of it. And plus the frontal was shedding at the same time, so that majority of the hair probably was coming from the frontal, and I just was unaware. So maybe the actual bundles don't shed, but the frontal does. So that's where majority of your hair, if you make this into a wig or if you get an install, will be coming from. This hair, I talked crazy, I was mad, I thought it broke my neck out. It kind of did, but that was because I was wearing a hair. But I would just say the hair is good, you just gotta keep maintaining it. So you gotta treat it as if it's installed in your head. So like every 2 weeks I would wash and blow dry this hair, just off the strength of I don't want this hair to collect a lot of the dust and dirt, which it does. Plus the lace tends to get that little thick film faster because it is a thicker lace. I wish it was a thinner lace, but I don't know them to have any like HD frontal, so I guess this is the best they have. I haven't really checked out and did all the specs on the company and stuff like that. I just have one set of hair and that's it, girly. Like I don't got too much. I don't have a list of bundles from them, you see what I'm saying? So I haven't tried this company more than once, but I'm just giving you my update. So yeah, the hair does last, and like me, I love to reconstruct, or you will learn to know I love to reconstruct my wigs, specifically longer hair into like bobs or like a different type of hairstyle, you see what I'm saying? Because I just like transforming hair. So it does last, and you can get definitely more than one hairstyle, because even though this brown is deeper, if I just let the bleach sit on it a little longer, I can get a lighter depth. I feel like the last question I'm going to answer in this 2-month update is overall, with all my experience with this hair, is it worth basically the money? So I paid $162 at the time of my last video. The hair went up to $161. I'm gonna check again, and I'm putting in the description box or somewhere on the screen about how much the hair is now, and I'm gonna give you basically, do I really think you should go out and spend your coins on this? Honestly, I think yes. This hair, even though it has the problems with the shedding in the front, in actuality the bundles are pretty decent bundles. It's just the frontals I wish they would change. I wish they would have frontals that are more durable, because a lot of girls out here like me, like we like to do our hair, we like to look good, so we not gonna just brush it every day and that's just that. No, I like to straighten my hair, I like to curl my hair, I like to flip my hair, I like to have it cute. So I like doing my wig, and I feel like if it's a frontal, I mean, yes, I'm gonna have to be delicate because they're already like damaged, not damaged, but they're weakened from the bleach, but still, you just need a more durable frontal. But this hair, she's cute. Like, she gives you a whole new look if you know how to cut and color hair. Even if you don't, take it to your stylist, she will cut and color your hair. I mean, I can't show y'all how I did this now because it was kind of out of impulse. But if I get to more straight hair, I definitely will do a tutorial for you guys so you can get this same look. Overall, if I gave this company a 2-month rate, a 2-month rate would be, I feel like it's definitely in the 8 range. They just need to get more durable frontals just to fix the problem with shedding, and hopefully they start getting into the HD frontal like wave that's going on right now, because I think this hair company with the bundles that they have literally could take over. Like, girl, you will have every single check that I get. The ones that I don't even have, I will be on Apple Pay, like Afterpay, fucking what's the last one, Carlana. All my coins will be gone. But yes, tell me if you ordered this hair. Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know if there's a hair company that you want me to try out. Let me know if there's just anything, fashion brand you want me to try out, a get ready with me topics, because that's gonna be my next video if it's not a hair review. I'm trying to get the hair together now, so just give me a second and then we can go from there. But yes, B-Babes, please subscribe, because it helps me a lot, like LOL Jason says. And yeah, and let's grow this subscriber count, girl. Y'all can't see it right now, but I'm gonna release it at this magic number. You see what I'm saying? It's getting there, but it ain't all the way there. So thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed. If you're a part of the B-Babe, put a red heart if you lasted this long in the video. If you are not, put a blue heart, and then subscribe so you can put a red heart next time. All right, I'll see you in my next one. Bye, girlies.